look at all these nozzles. Which one is going to be right for you when doing an enema? First, I'm going to show you the traditional plastic enema nozzle. It's 3 inches long and it won't bend. Next to it is the women's douche nozzle. These come as a set. This is not an enema nozzle. This is for ladies only when using as a douche. Men do not use this as an enema nozzle, but they do come in a set. We also have that same nozzle in a silicone material, and you'll see that it's flexible and you can see through it. Another type of enema nozzle is the tapered nozzle. You can see the difference in its shape when I put these together. This one has a tapered shape. And another difference is that there are holes on the side and water comes out the side. There's no opening on the end as there is with the traditional nozzle. This one is flexible and it's made out of a medical vinyl plastic. Next, if you're having trouble retaining an enema, such as the coffee enema, or you just want to have a more relaxing hands-free enema, you might want to choose what's called the retention nozzle. Now, this is quite a bit larger than the traditional nozzle, you'll see. They both have openings on the end, but the retention nozzle has openings on the side. So water is going to come out each side as well as on the end. Holes on the side make it easier to wash the colon walls on the side. People like to use this because they may be having trouble holding in a coffee enema the full 15 minutes. And the shape of the end here plugs the opening of the rectum up a little bit so that there can be no leakage or less leakage. And they don't have to necessarily use their hands in holding the nozzle in, or try to use their muscles in holding the enema in. The design of the retention nozzle will help to do that. It comes in 2 different types of colors. Now another one, it's really a colon tube, but it's only 6 inches long, and you can see the size difference between the traditional and the colon tube here. So this is for those who want a very slender insertion. Maybe they have hemorrhoids. It's got a pointed end, like so. So it makes it a little more comfortable in inserting if you have hemorrhoids. And this has holes on the side. You can see that. Many holes, which is nice for washing the sides of the colon. It will come with a connector, like so. And this connects to your enema hose, like so. And speaking of enema hose, all of the nozzles I just showed you are to be used with the enema hose. They will not fit on anything except for an enema hose like this.